All right, Park City. Winter kind of took the year off, Sundance is packing its bags, and yet somehow our real estate market just posted one of the strongest years on record. So, what is actually happening here right now? Today, I'm breaking down the biggest February headlines shaping Park City real estate development and lifestyle, and why some of this news is way more important than people realize. So, let's get into the February scoop. First up, let's talk about Kimball Junction. Summit County just approved over $4 million to renovate the former Skull Candy building. Here's why this matters. The county bought the building for $17.5 million. It's becoming a new government and community hub. It will house public services like the DMV, library space, meeting rooms, and county offices. The old building is eventually going to be demolished. Kimball Junction is going to continue to evolve to a mixed-use center. That means more infrastructure, foot traffic, and more growth for nearby neighborhoods like Pinebrook, Jeremy Ranch, Trailside, and the Kimball Junction area. Warm winter and record low snowpack. Now let's talk about the elephant on the mountain. Winter started very, very warm. Yes, very, very warm. Utah entered into 2026 with some of the lowest snowpack levels of our time. But to our defense, it's kind of the entire West. It seems like the only place that's getting snow right now is Canada and Japan and the East Coast. Scientists say this may be a preview of our future. So here's what they're seeing. Fewer average winters and more extreme years, either massive snowfalls or very little snowfalls. Shorter, less predictable ski seasons, greater pressure on resorts to invest in snowmaking, terrain efficiency. We already saw the impact. Vail Resorts reported fewer skier visits this early season, and Park City Mountain felt it too. And yet, this is important. Luxury real estate demand has not disappeared. Why? Because Park City is no longer just a skis town. It's a four-season lifestyle market with two mega resorts, Deer Valley and Park City. We're really not going to let one bad year affect us because it's kind of happening to the entire West Coast. It's not just like we're the odd man out. It's everywhere in the West right now. But the resorts are definitely adapting fast, and they're responding. Park City Mountain is pushing forward with terrain expansion plans. Even with unpredictable snowfall, Deer Valley is doing the same, continuing one of the largest expansions in North America. The takeaway is simple. The resorts are not retreating, they're doubling down. More lifts, better snowmaking, expanded terrain, and elevated guest experiences. That's a long-term confidence signal. Park City Mountain is also going for round 2 of lift upgrades since being denied by the county earlier on. I'm excited for Park City. I hope they can get the lifts that they want. New Silverado lift and new Eagle lift, to name a few. And somehow, Deer Valley levels up again. Now let's talk luxury. A brand new Waldorf Astoria resort has just been announced that it is the newest hotel to come to the Deer Valley East Village. And Waldorf doesn't just go anywhere. This adds global luxury, branding, international buyer awareness, 5-star hospitality, and major validation of the East Village vision. Deer Valley is not becoming Aspen, it's becoming something newer, cleaner, and arguably more exclusive. And this is exactly why development and buyer demand keeps shifting east toward the Jordanelle and Mayflower. New lifestyle amenities arriving. Park City is also leaning hard into premium lifestyle. A few highlights. A new luxury ski membership just launched at Deer Valley with select icon resorts, meaning no more hauling skis, no locker stress, and concierge-level service. You also have Auto House, is a private garage, which they are selling near Kimball Junction. The Pendry launched brand new upraised ski experiences, and Park City Mountain even introduced night skiing again under the lights for a few nights only. The town continues stacking lifestyle upgrades, and buyers are noticing. Now for some regulation news, Summit County officially launched a short-term rental complaint hotline. Here's what that tells us. Enforcement is increasing. Counties want better tracking, not bans. Noise, parking, occupancy issues, and all the main focus short-term rentals are not going away, but they're becoming more regulated and location-specific. This is exactly why you as a buyer need hyper guidance before purchasing a short-term nightly rental here. Not every zip code plays by the same rules. Sundance's final bow. And yes, this was the final Sundance Film Festival in Park City. After decades here, Sundance is moving out of state. What does that mean? Short term, we're going to lose one of the most profitable couple of weeks for business owners on Main Street and for people who are nightly renting out their properties in or near town. Sundance was a big economic drawer to our state, and it is truly a bummer that we're going to be losing that. So hopefully that we will be able to replace it with something even better and have room to grow from there. And now the headline everyone should hear. Park City Real Estate closed 2025 as the second highest sales volume year on record. Let that sink in. Even with higher interest rates, a warm winter, market uncertainty, and global economic noise, Luxury carried the market. High-end buyers stayed active, especially in Deer Valley, Canyons Village, East Village, and around the Jordan Mill. New construction and turnkey properties. This is no longer one market. It is a series of micro markets behaving very differently. So here's the big picture. Winter may have taken the year off, but Park City didn't. Infrastructure is expanding, luxury development is accelerating, lifestyle amenities are stacking, and real estate demand remains strong at the top. This town is changing, not declining. If you're thinking about buying or selling or investing in Park City real estate in 2026, this is not the market that you guess in. You need neighborhood-level strategy and stop listening to the headlines. I'm Nicole, a lifelong local. I live here, I ski here, I sell here, and I'd love to help you navigate what's actually happening on the ground. Make sure to like, subscribe, and reach out if you want the real Park City scoop before everyone catches up, and I'll see you in the next one.